RASMi is the latest technological product under the invention of Professor Dr. Tang Tong Boon and his team. The product is a resilience assessment system for mind using EEG neuromarkers. We call it RASMi. The invention was inspired from the ongoing concern of mental illnesses faced by people across the globe. In 2002, the World Health Organization published a monograph concerning the alarming mental health problem as one of the leading causes of disability and disease worldwide. In Malaysia, the percentage of clinically diagnosed adults with stress disorders have increased, with 30% of the cases were due to work-related stress. Although the effect of stress may be subtle, its effects on the mental and physical health of a person can be detrimental if it is not being addressed at an early stage. Following the pandemic crisis due to COVID-19, research interest on resilience escalated. Resilience is a measure of perceiving adverse events as minimal stress whilst developing adaptive and positive responses. Brain research have found resilience as one of the factors driving positive reactions to combat stress. Resilient people have been associated with having positive emotional responses and behavioral actions when facing stress. Resilience experts have advocated on the need to measure resilience quantitatively so that it can inform practitioners on the effectiveness of psychotherapy programs aiming to build resilience. Conventional resilience assessments are done using the psychological questionnaires. However, these instruments can be biased due to the respondents' concern on social stigma of mental illnesses. While some practices implement multiple questionnaires to assess resilience, this in turn results in a tedious procedure during the health screening stage. Additionally, questionnaires are unable to capture the adaptation process of resilience in response to stress. Advancement in neuroimaging technologies has allowed researchers to observe resilience through neuromodulation and hormonal changes in the brain. Instead of fMRI and MEG, the solution invented by Professor Tang and his team uses the more cost-effective electroencephalography approach to assess resilience. The EEG is a safe brain imaging tool used to measure brain electrical signals from the scalp. During the development of RASMi, the team recorded EEG signals during resting and task conditions. A virtual environment was developed for the task, to mimic a stressful condition in an early childhood classroom setting. So how can a person use RASMi to assess resilience? The practitioner can provide RASMi with the brain signals of a person, recorded either during resting or task conditions. The system will then process and analyze the brain signals, and estimate the person's resilience level. The resilience level is presented as a measure of mental health risk, as studies show resilient people have lower risk of mental illnesses. The prediction model embedded in RASMi has been tested at the TRL5 stage with a prediction accuracy greater than 90% in the real-world environment. To recap, the RASMi is a novel approach of assessing resilience using solely EEG neuromarkers. The invention can be made portable and cost-effective, with targeted market includes clinicians and professionals in talent recruitment. Improvement in mental health awareness and brain monitoring device market have contributed to its good market and commercial potential. The EEG device itself is reusable and has a long lifetime, making it environmental friendly. Under current volatile and full with uncertainties world, being mentally resilient is important than ever. Our product RASMi aims to contribute to building a resilient nation. Thank you.